Good morning to one and all. I welcome you for IABS IAS Academy Current Affairs channel IABS IAS News Bureau. And now we are going to discuss about Press India Bureau News Analysis, which is dated on July 6, that talked about Indian Railways decisive step to transform itself as a net zero carbon emission mass transportation network by 2030. Here, first we need to know about why government is taking such crucial step and what it is vision and what it is mission. Here, Indian government mission towards this process is to endeavor self-reliant energy sector in terms of its own requirement. Whatever the energy that is required by Indian Railway, that should be produced by their own without depending on any other organization. And their mission is to achieve this particular energy requirement through renewable sources, thereby carbon emission that is going to be emitted during the production and consumption of the service should be equivalent to zero. That's why they have made the mission as to achieve conversion of Indian Railways to net zero carbon emission railway system. And one more thing is, Indian Railways through this renewable energy projects is committed to utilize solar energy for meeting its traction power requirement and to complete that green mode of transportation. This is their mission, how they are going to do it. And what is the mission of the government? How the mechanism is going to be work. Here, Indian Railway Ministry has decided to install solar power plant on its vacant unused land on mega scale. That is already started. By this particular mechanism, they are also producing electricity in some places. The use of solar power will accelerate the requirement and they can easily achieve to the predetermined goal to zero net carbon emission railway system. This is the plan of Indian Railways to operate through green energy system. And Indian Railways presently they are fulfilling the solar requirement by deploying first transportation organization to be a self-reliant and self-sufficient system in South Asia. This would help in making Indian Railway as green as well as Atmanirbhar, that is self-reliant. Indian Railway has acted as a pioneer in green energy procurement and it has started energy procurement from various solar projects like 3 million watt power solar plant set up at MCF Raebareli UP, about 100 million watt power rooftop solar system has been already been commissioned on various stations and buildings of Indian Railways. And Indian Railway in collaboration with Bharat Heavy Electronics Limited, that is BHEL, they have already started an innovative technology for converting direct current to single phase alternative current for feeding daily requirement of railway overhead traction system. And the solar power plant has been established in here each and every substation which are located in prime cities. And we had the potential of 25 lakh units of energy annually, and that can save the expenditure which amounts to 1.37 crore on yearly basis for Indian Railway. Here, what is the key challenge that we need to face in this particular program implementation? That is in terms of conversion of DC power that has been generated from solar panel to a single phase 25 kilowatt AC power. This is the major challenges that government is going to face in terms of implementation of this particular program. For that, they need to develop a high capacity inverter with single phase output which are not readily available in the market. In addition to that, There are two pilot projects for the scheme of land-based solar plant for meeting electric traction energy requirement of Indian Railway, which are under implementation. Under Railway Energy Management Company (REMCL), that is, they are working rigorously to further proliferate the use of solar energy on mega scale. Indian Railway is also adapting an innovative methods and concept of installation of solar power along the operational railway lines, and this will help in preventing encroachment, enhancing the speed and safety of the train, and reduction of the infrastructural cost due to direct injection of solar power into the traction network. And Indian Railways is a leading India's fight against Indian Railways is thereby leading India's fight against climate change, and it's taking significant step towards meeting its ambitious goal of being a net zero carbon emission organization through this particular plan. And now we came to an end of this PhD analysis.